welcome to Nirmal Bang, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Hiral Datia. We have with us Ria Singh, Senior Analyst, Currencies, joining in. Ria, welcome to the show. Ria, the dollar index, if you go to see, has dropped back to levels of 106.5 after the Fed minutes, which are clearly suggesting a slowdown in the rate hike pace. And you have the yields, which have retreated as well. So
Right.
overall, if you go to see, are we expecting to see consolidation, or we will see some bit of further weakness now coming in?
I think consolidation is something that could be seen into the dollar index. If you look at the Fed minutes, they have said that they are not seeing any clues of inflation decelerating at a faster pace, faster than what they were expecting. So, of course, anticipating that Fed will move from 75 to 25 will be a wrong way to go. I think they'll go with the rate hikes, but I think 50 basis points is something that they will go ahead with. Tapering will be left off. Not much of the balance sheet contraction I'm expecting, but they'll continue with the rate hikes at least by 50 bips. What is the important thing is, like you said, they have started discussions around when to start off with a slower tightening of the policy. So that is something to consider, because of course the backdrop could be seen into the GDP numbers of the economy. So I think going forward, it will not retreat, fall back quite. Dollar index will not fall back quite, uh, you know, steeply. I think 105 is the support that it will maintain going forward. So it will stay within the levels of 105, 107 in the coming sessions.
Right. So to that, simultaneously, how are you expecting the Indian rupee, to move from here on?
Even the consolidation will continue into the Indian rupee as well, because if you look at the Indian economic parameters, inflation is cooling off from the highs. We are posting positive numbers as far as the performance of the economy is concerned. So I think 80 80.10 to 79.30, this is the wide range that Indian rupee will follow in the coming few months.
Okay. And simultaneously, if you have to look at the euro and the pound, what's your anticipation?
These both pairs will remain under pressure, because if you look at the pound, UK has again posted inflation on the higher side, and Bank of England is expecting that it could go towards 13-14%. So I think the whole outlook is a little bearish on the pound. For the euro, I think you could see some traction coming back. Euro testing the parity again right now. I think they have posted quite positive. They have posted positive numbers, which was quite surprising. But I think in the next quarter there could be some deceleration into their GDP growth as well. So overall, I think euro will still remain stronger than the pound. So for the euro INR, I think one could go, on the positive side, but I'm not very much positive on the pound outlook.
Okay. And right. And what are the key strategies that you would recommend?
I think one could look forward with going long into the USD INR above the levels of 79.78 for a target of 79.95. Keep a strict SL at around 79.65. And for Euro INR also, we can go long above. So it is right now trading at 81.15. You can go long above today's open, which is 81.25. So above 81.25, you can go long for 81.52 and keep a SL at 80.95. So
Right.
these are the two strategies you can follow through in the next sessions or even in the intraday session.
Right. So these are sessions that these are these are strategies that one should be looking at. Thank you, Ria. Thank you, participants, for joining in. We've already spoken about the other levels. Thank you.
Thank you.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel for in-depth interviews of India Inc. and press the bell icon so that you do not miss our updates.